If you are not using AMC, you are already a step behind your competitors. In today's video, I will walk you through Amazon Marketing Cloud AMC step by step, breaking down each section visually so you can clearly understand how it works. So by the end of this video, you will know how to use AMC to analyze customer behavior, build audience, and create smarter campaigns. So one of the biggest benefit of AMC is that it generates results where we cannot see in simple reporting. For example, we can track customer buying journey, customer behavior, customer audience reports, and later we can use these insights in our campaigns. For instance, targeting NTB, new to brand customers from the past 30 days, high paying audience from the past X number of days, and so on. At the top of the AMC dashboard, we can see the navigation bar with these sections: home, use cases, query, editor, projects, audience, and paid features. On the home page, the first thing we can see the Insight tab. In this section includes pre-built templates, path to conversions by campaign groups. This template analyzes a customer buying journey before they made a purchase on Amazon. The query groups result by campaigns. Sample data includes streaming, TV, display, video, audio, and purchase. So this shows how long it takes customer to convert after they saw your ad. Here we also see an option to run with your own data. So overlap by campaign groups, this helps determine how different campaigns exposure group work together to drive purchases. Again, you can view simple data or run in with your own. You can also add more templates so here as needed. Here we can see no favorites yet, but you can mark use cases as favorites to access them quickly later. Some examples include how to query sponsor ads, keyword recommended for sponsor ads, optimal frequency solution recommended for sponsor ads, introduction to AMC lookalike audiences also recommended for sponsor ads. Where you left off, this tab shows recent activity and updates. And finally, at the end of the home page, there is a recent project tab where you will find your most recent work. Inside use cases, there are two main areas: analytics. Here you can download different type of reports in Excel format. For example, if you click on how to query sponsored ads keywords, you will see detailed instruction on generating the report and its requirement. There are tons of similar reports you can create. Audiences, this section let you generate custom audience segments that can be later be used in campaigns. Example include audience with multiple detailed page views, audience based on sponsored ad keywords, and many more. So this is where you can create fully customized reports using queries. This is the advanced area for generating specific insights tailored to your needs, and you can also write queries with the help of AI. In projects, you can manage what you have already created. Under the measurement tab, you will find your generated templates. To make a new one, just click create new and choose whether to download from the query editor or from template. So under the audience tab, you will find your generated audience. Again, you can create new ones by clicking create new. All your saved projects will be available here for future use. So a note for you: reports will not be generated if the number of audience is lower than 100. So this tab also lets you to view the create audience. It is another way to access the same functionality from projects, giving you flexibility in where you work. So this section offered additional premium features. For example, you can generate extra reports that include organic sales data and other advanced insights that are not available in the free version. So once your audience are created, you can use them directly in your campaigns. To do this, click create campaign, select your campaign type, SP, SD or SB. Under the bid adjustment tab, you will see the option to apply your created audience. This allows you to directly leverage your AMC inside Amazon campaigns. So that's a complete walkthrough of Amazon Marketing Cloud, from understanding what is it and how you can use this data for better targeting and campaign performance. If you found this video helpful, make sure to follow for more quick value-packed Amazon insights. No fluff, just straight strategies that help you to grow. Until next time, this is Umar from Spectrum BPO, helping brands scale smarter on Amazon.